Hey guys, James Greer back here with another episode of JC Series TV, and today I'm going to show you how to make an installer for your program that you made in Visual Basic or your videos or whatever you want to send across the internet. Whatever guys, it's whatever you want to do with the installer. So what you want to do is you're going to go to the Start menu and you're going to go to Search Programs and Features. You're going to type in IExpress. And then it should come up with the program. And if you don't have this program, I'm pretty sure you can download it somewhere. I haven't had to. So here's what it looks like. Welcome to IExpress 2.0. This is the latest version I've got on my computer. If there's any other latest version, put it down in the description and I will check it out. Okay? So here, when you open it up, it doesn't have a splash screen or anything like that. It's just the IExpress wizard, like it says up here. IExpress wizard. Welcome to IExpress 2.0. This wizard will help you create a self-extracting, self-installing package. Okay, so here it is. First of all, when you set it up, you want an SED, which is self-extraction directive file, meaning you can save this file and then when you want to modify it, you can open an existing self-extractive directive file. You can just click browse and just browse for it, but I'm not doing that because I don't have any because there's no need for me to do that. And but I might use it in the future with the program I'm making. So anyway, what you want to do is you're going to click create new self-extraction directive file. You're going to click next. Now the package purpose, this depends on you. If you use the extract files and run an installation command, you're going to have one or more exes, preferably only 2 exes, because it'll have only 2 things that you can run. Okay, but for now we're just going to choose the extract files only option. Now don't mess with this create compressed files only. That's an ActiveX installs, so just don't touch that, please don't. So we're going to go with the second option, and you want to enter a title package. I'm just going to call mine setup _ process. I don't care if I spell it wrong, I probably did. But anyway, you just want to name it as is, or whatever you want to name it to, and then you can have a confirmation prompt where you can type in please confirm install, and then just click next, and then you can display a license. Now I've got a default license for all the products I make, so I'm just gonna load that up. I'll navigate to my desktop. Now always save your licenses to a folder that you can remember. Okay guys, so that's how you'll be able to get your licenses in one place. So that's what you want to do. Now once you click next after adding the license file, which is just a regular TXT, you can now click next and you'll see this packaged files, which will be the ones we'll be extracting. So what you want to do is you're going to click add, and then you're going to the folder that you have and that you have your program, and you're going to export all the DLLs, all the XML files, and everything that goes with that program into this installer. So I'm just gonna choose a setup I already had, so my Omega setup, and then what you want to do is after you have all your files in, you're gonna click next, and then you can say show window, and then you want to select default. The default is recommended, but if you don't want to, you can have it hidden, minimized, or maximized, which means the whole screen, I guess. And but right now we're just going to leave it at default because that's recommended. And then let's display a message when it's finished. And then click finished. Finished. And then click next. And then here's the package name and options. You click browse where you want to save it. I'm just going to save it in my installer folder, and I'm going to rename it to whatever I want to rename it to, _1, or if it's just, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. and it's going to save it as an executable file. As you can see, executable files.exe. Then press save, and whatever you do, leave the options alone. Okay, don't touch the hide file extracting process animation from user. Don't touch that. Just and if you want to uncheck this, I recommend you don't uncheck it. Just keep it as is. But if you want to, go ahead. You're the one who does it. And then click next. What you want to do is now you're going to save the self-extracting directive file to, and I'm just going to override the file and click save. Or you don't have to save it, but I'm going to save it. And then click next, and then create package, and then that's when you click next that it'll create it. The command prompt will open and does that, and then you click finish. Now to get to your installer, just go to the folder that you have, and then just double click on the installer, and it says please confirm install, and you click yes or no, and you got your license. Now here's the part where you extract the files. You can extract them to wherever you want. It's your choice. I'm just gonna extract mine to a file in my downloads folder, and press OK, and then OK again, and then it'll say, do you want to overwrite this file? If you already have that installer in there, and then you'll say yes to all, and then that finished message that you had will pop up, and then you'll click OK, and then there you go. Okay, so then just navigate to the folder you already have it in. Like I said, mine is in my downloads folder, somewhere in here. Okay. Like I said, mine is in here. But if you save it to your downloads folder, just go ahead and find it and run it. So that's how you make that, guys, and I will see you all next time on another episode of JC Series TV. I'm James Greer, and I approve this message. Peace!